Okay, as you saw, the PC shut down. Turn it back on. Here we go. It's been Windows 98, but this time we're going to see the Microsoft out-of-box experience load up. Okay, I see there's a simple mistake. It only supports 800 by 600 pixels. If it's more than that, then you get this blank space around it. Is there any way of altering that? Okay, I think I know how to get around it. I think if I just click through, you just pick the right settings. I think if I go to safe mode, then I should be able to change the pixels back to 800 by 600. Yep, I thought so. Right, let's just go properties. Okay, here we go. Just got to go into the registry to change the settings. There we go. Right. Okay, now we're running 800 by 600. There we go. And as you can see, after, excuse me, now you can see we've got the welcome message, and it's happy with my keyboard choice. And look, it tells me here, thank you for buying an OOBE video demo computer that has Windows 98. As you can see, that the OOBE, that's the text I specified back in the OPK wizard. So I'll just put in details. Oh, and by the way, if I had customized the logo, it would have put a logo here in the top right corner. But as I didn't have anything to hand, I opted not to. So let's click next. Yeah, I chose to keep the tutorial mouse tutorial in there, so to continue to press the right arrow. Alright, let's let you see the tutorial. It's just an images that shows you what to do. It's not animated video. Wait, there we go. There we go. We're done with the mouse tutorial. Let's hit escape. Okay, there's the license agreement. You can read this by going straight down. You don't really need to, so if I go up, just click. Okay, now, as you can see, it wants me to import the product key. Right, so I'll just import some random digits. Not only that, it also includes a keyboard helper as well. So if I click here, you can actually click on characters. And then obviously you would then click next. And what happens if you click skip? This is what happens. Right, I'll re-enter the valid product key. There we go, all done. So let's hit finish. And look, it still refers to our computer name. And look, allows us to change the settings, which are already done. And there we go. That was a demonstration of the Windows 98 SE out of box experience. Thanks for watching.